Okay, just a very short update. Turn the camera around. We've got holes in the ceiling. Well, two of them anyway. That's for the Atmos speakers. I've got these marked down here. I'm holding the box up against the ceiling to catch the dust with a extendable post, and I'm going to want a spotter on this end to make sure it doesn't fall and hit the screen. So we'll go look at the Atmos speakers in a minute, but first I'm looking for a DIY speaker builder in the Austin or near the Austin, Texas area that would like some miscellaneous raw drivers. You can have them for $5 each, or you can have them all for free. I prefer somebody take them all for free. You just got to come get them soon because I'm leaving town on Sunday morning. So anybody, any DIY speaker builder in the Austin area, want a bunch of miscellaneous, and some of these are just like new old stock. Some of them may be pretty old, but was never used. Some of them were, and miscellaneous project for testing or whatever project that never got done. But yeah, if you're a DIY speaker builder in the Austin area and you want some free raw drivers, you got to get them basically by Saturday. Okay, and here are the Atmos speakers. We have one defective 5-inch that I'm having to pull out. The voice coil's rubbing, but a new one is already on the way. And so there's going to be 4 of these Atmos. You got the Signature series, it's 8-inch, a 5-inch, and then a reference dome tweeter. So those are going to go in those holes that are up there, and the 2 other holes that's yet to be cut. So anyway, the more important thing about this update though is I need to find that DIY speaker builder that wants a bunch of raw free drivers. That's it.